Are you looking to make your own planner that will boost your productivity? Hello and welcome to my channel. First step in making this planner is choosing your notebook, anything that is available for you. Here I have a grid paper notebook and also the ruled paper notebook. Please choose a planner that is suitable for the 12 months, or else you can make it for 6 months and the other 6 months in one notebook. So you can choose white or ruled, anything of your choice. So it totally depends upon your availability and convenience of making your planner. You can also use your old diaries to make into a planner. I made a video on how to reuse your old diaries into your new planners. So I linked the video in the description box. So I'm using this grid notebook. Why I chose this notebook is it has enough number of pages which is suitable for the whole 12 months, and it is also easy to make. So the next step is choosing the pages that need to be entered in your planner. So say for example, in my planner I need to have yearly calendar, yearly goals, monthly cover pages, monthly calendar, habit tracker, mood tracker. It goes on. Next step is calculate the approximate number of pages required for the planner setup. For example, I need few blank pages followed by the yearly calendar and then the monthly planner. So I'll explain you in detail. For my planner setup, I need 10 to 12 pages for the beginning yearly planner, goal planner, or something like that. And for monthly, I need 14 pages. So check whether your notebook has enough number of pages. After marking the pages, the next step is collect all the materials that are required to make your planner. Here I am using some scrap papers or some magazines or any color papers, some stencils, pens, pencils, sketch pens or highlighters, whatever you have. You don't need any special thing. So in the beginning of the page, I have cut down these sunflower from a old calendar, and then I have made it into a two parts. So that way it covers the whole page. This is the first page of the planner, and here are few white paper strips. This is for a yearly planner. As this is a grid paper notebook, just to make a highlighted version, I have used the white paper strips. Use a normal glue that is available with you, but don't use the Fevicol thing because it would get too much. Just the glue stick is fine. And if you are using a white notebook or the ruled notebook, you can also draw the lines with your hand, and then I'm using a stencil just to make my work easier. Otherwise you can also do it with the pen or pencil with your hand. It's very simple. And I'm using a highlighters here. You can use the sketch pens or color pens, anything. The reason for using all these color pens or sketch pens is just to highlight the planner. If you don't have, you can also just make it with one black pen or a blue pen. So write down the months in the first page. So this is a yearly planner, so which is very essential page for your planner, which will help you to keep more organized of your important dates. So write down your calendar and divide each page into 3 sections. So in each page you can write 3 months. So that ways you need four pages to write down all your months. Sometimes you can also use, if your notebook is not big enough, you can also make a planner for 6 months. But I wanted to keep track of my whole year with so I just wanted to keep everything in one notebook, which is also helpful for me. And just under each and every month, leave some space where you can write down the important dates. I will explain you how to use this planner in the coming video. So stay tuned. So the next one is the yearly goals. If you are good at drawing, you can draw. Even if you're not good at drawing, like me, you can also draw some few things with the scale and pencil and do. I have cut down a few scrap paper from an old magazine. So here I got this yellow color which is more prominent. That is the reason I am using this. If you have color papers, you can also use it. I have the color papers, but to make it more easy for everyone, I wanted to show this way. So I made my whole planner without any color papers, but using the scrap papers. Of course, this is a color paper, but this is a scrap paper. The left side of this page is yearly goals, and the right side is also dedicated for the yearly goals. This is made into 4 sections where your goals are categorized into 4. And here is another trick. If you have any scrap paper, you can also make labels like this. These labels can also be used for your projects, for your school projects, just to make it highlighted. You can cut this way, which is a simple and easy trick. The next one is, once you finish this, you can also categorize based on the number of things. For example, I have used it for personal, work, self-care, family, something like that. If you are a YouTuber, you can also keep another category for YouTube. If you are a student, another category for your studies. So it depends upon your requirement. So the goals is completely optional. This is a basic template where you can make according to your needs. And these sketch pens obviously improve your planner much better. So cutting out, I have cut down so many scrap paper labels like this. So this page is for the password log. So this is like nowadays everybody or using your internet where you get registered to some websites to use it. So obviously you have a username and password. If you're forgetting your passwords or username just like me, I wanted to have all these important websites and passwords in one place. I keep forgetting. So just to keep everything at one place, I have dedicated this page in my planner, where if I forgot something, I'll just take my planner and then I can see it very quickly. So I have left the right side page blank. If the number goes on, I also need some time, some space. So that's why I left one blank page. The next page is where your month starts. So from here onwards, you start your monthly calendar. So for me, I need 14 to 16 pages for each and every month. So this is the start of the month, January, the first month. I just used a normal black pen. I just made these roses, which is very easy to draw. And you can always use the pencil. If you're not okay, you can use pencil and then you can sketch it, which is also very easy. And on the left side, I always write down the quote which always motivates. Motivating quotes, whenever you open the book, you keep reading it and it would help you, boost your confidence. That is one of the best reason of writing down the quote in your planner. So this is the calendar, first page of your month. So the next page is you write down the calendar in brief. No, in the beginning you made a brief calendar, and then you started, now you are going to expand your calendar where you can write down in detailed important dates or important things to remember, anything for that month. I made this calendar using this box. I had it. This is recycled from some trash. That's it. This again, I'm using the same labels which I made it from the scrap paper, and simple 2 sketches. That's it. So this is the same format that I'm going to continue for the rest other months as well. But the theme or the colors would obviously change. And I also have the goals and the to do for each and every month. And the next page is for the habit tracker. And this habit tracker is, it also depends upon your personal choice. For example, in this page, I have dedicated it for 6 habits which I need to track. You can track your habits based upon the things that you wanted to follow. So I'll explain you how to make this. And the next one is the mood and the sleep tracker, where sleep and the mood are both associated with each other. So I just wanted to track everything, whether am I sleeping enough or my mood okay. So this is also the another pattern which will continue for the next 12 months. I will keep this one. So that ways I can track all my habits throughout the year, whether I am consistent or not. The next one of the monthly planner is the weekly planner. This is also very essential, but for this planner, for the weekly, you need lots of space. So that is the reason I made one page into 4 sections. Otherwise, you can also make it into horizontal, but the space is very limited where you cannot use it to the fullest. So that is the reason this is the format I'm going to follow for the next few weeks also. And write down your days. And here also, if you have a space, you can also make the goals thing, which would help you in weekly goals. You can also set up weekly goals just like that. So for each and every month, you have 4 weeks. So make 4 weekly planners. That's it. Your January monthly planner is ready. So first part of the planner is ready. So the similar way, you are also going to make for the rest of the months. See, I have made this way. I have made for all the months, and I have made all the weekly planners. So if you wanted to know how to use this planner, stay tuned, and I'm going to explain you in detail. If you like this idea, please do share your ideas in the comment section, and do follow me on Instagram on Planet, and do let me know what type of videos would you like to watch on this channel. And thank you. Bye bye.